Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make beef stroganoff. This recipe is so good. It's very creamy and delicious. It's very easy and simple to put together on a busy day. Let's get started. Alright you guys, for this recipe we're using 1 pound of sirloin steak. Make sure you cut off all the excess fat around your steak. So I already went ahead and cut up a good amount of the fat on my steak. Next, we're going to cut up the steak, and I'm using these knives that were sent to me by Steinbrück to use in today's video. I really love them. They're very sharp and they feel very high quality. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box together with a 20% coupon code if you guys are interested. Once you're done cutting or slicing up your steak, you're going to season with salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and toss everything together. Once your steak is very well seasoned, we're going to start cooking. You're going to drizzle some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Allow the oil to get very hot, then add your steak. We're going to sear the steak, so arrange them in a single layer and make sure you don't overcrowd your pan, otherwise the steak will not sear properly. In order to get the best result, sear your steak in 2 batches. We're going to sear the steak for 2 minutes on each side or until they develop this beautiful golden brown color. Turn them over and let them sear for 2 minutes on the other side as well. Once all your steak is seared, take them out of the pan and set aside for later. Alright, next, clean out your pan just a little bit and make sure you leave a little bit of the brown bits in the pan because that adds so much flavor to the beef stroganoff. We're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, and while the butter is melting, I'm going to slice up 1 whole onion. I'm using my smaller Steinbrück knife to cut up the onion. Once the onion is all cut up, go ahead and toss it into the melted butter. Next, we're adding 1 cup of cut up white mushrooms and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Go ahead and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes until everything cooks down, just like this. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. The flour is going to act as a thickener. Cook the flour for 1 minute just to kick out that flour taste. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of white wine, and we're also adding 1 cup of beef broth. Vigorously stir the beef broth in to prevent the flour from creating any lumps. Once the sauce begins to thicken, add in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're also adding a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream and a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Stir everything together and let the cream get incorporated with the sauce. Then we're going to add the seared meat. Last, we're going to finish this with some freshly chopped chives. Make sure you taste for salt and pepper and add more if you want. Then you're going to cover this up and let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. And that's it you guys, dinner is ready. Very simple and easy. And this recipe pairs so well with egg noodles or rice, so make sure you have that ready. You can even serve this over mashed potatoes and it will be absolutely delicious. This is such an amazing dinner recipe. It's so comforting, very easy to make, and really delicious. If you guys would like to make this beef stroganoff recipe, make sure you check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.